Happy Thanksgiving from America. This is Darlene, Music for All. Hoping your day is going well. Maybe you've had a chance to listen to some music, maybe perform. Thought I might give it a try. A hymn by Charles Wesley, one of 6,500 written throughout his lifetime. He lived to the great old age of 80 back in the 1700s. Check out his bio on Wikipedia. And the name of this hymn, used in the Methodist Church today, still today, is And Can It Be? So let's give it a try. And this is about ear training, reading music, and overconfidence. Overconfidence means you are rushing through a piece before memorizing it. All right, you'll know when it happens. Okay, getting the rhythm wrong. Slow down, enjoy your practice. Thank you for listening.